Stop. Do not put that $300 puffer jacket in the washing machine until you watch this video. Most people think they can treat down feathers like a cotton t-shirt. If you do that, you will strip the oils, collapse the feathers, and end up with a lumpy, cold windbreaker. But if you do this right, your jacket will come out fluffier and warmer than the day you bought it. I'm going to show you the science, the secret tennis ball trick, and the one soap you must avoid. First, you need to understand what you are washing. Down isn't just fluff, it's nature's best insulator. It works by trapping warm air in thousands of tiny filaments. This is called loft. Regular laundry detergent is designed to strip grease and oil. That's great for pizza stains, but terrible for feathers. Down feathers have natural oils that keep them springy. If you use regular laundry detergent, you strip that oil. The feathers become brittle and collapse. You kill the jacket. You need a specialized down wash that cleans the shell without stripping the feather's soul. Before you touch the machine, we prep. Step 1. Empty the pockets. I know it sounds obvious, but a forgotten tissue will bond to the feathers forever. Step 2. Zip every single zipper. Main zipper, pockets, pits. An open metal zipper acts like a chainsaw against wet nylon fabric. Step 3. Loosen the drawstrings. Don't let them snap. And finally, inspect for holes. If you see a tiny tear, patch it with gear tape now. If you wash a jacket with a hole, the machine will suck the feathers out and you'll open the door to a snowstorm. Now, the machine. Front loaders are best. Top loaders with a center agitator can rip the baffles. If you have a top loader, use a mesh bag. Set your cycle to gentle or delicate. Temperature, cold, 30 degrees Celsius. Hot water can melt the glues in the seams. For soap, use a technical cleaner, like Nikwax Direct or Grangers. Do not use bleach. Do not use softeners. And here's the pro tip. Select extra rinse. Down holds onto soap like a sponge. You need to flush it all out to get the loft back. The cycle finishes, you open the door, you pull out the jacket, and your heart sinks. It looks ruined. It's flat, heavy, and the feathers are clumped into hard little baseballs in the corners. It feels like a wet plastic bag. Do not panic. This is exactly what down looks like when it's wet. You haven't ruined it, you just haven't finished the job. The magic happens in the dryer. Do not air dry. If you hang it up wet, the clumps will dry hard and moldy. You must tumble dry. Set your dryer to low heat. High heat melts the nylon shell. Now, the secret weapon. Add 3 clean tennis balls or wool dryer balls. As the dryer spins, these balls will beat the jacket. They smash the feather clumps apart, forcing air back into the down. This is not a fast process. It will take 3 to 4 cycles. Every 30 minutes, take the jacket out, shake it, and use your hands to massage any stubborn clumps. Keep going until it's fully puffy. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. It helps the algorithm show this guide to other people who need to save their jackets. And to help the channel grow, hit subscribe. We have a lot more fabric guides coming. With that done, let's look at the final step. If it smells like wet dog, it's not dry yet. To wrap up, here's your instant ruin list. Never use bleach. Never iron a puffer jacket, it will melt instantly. Never wring it out like a towel, you'll tear the internal baffles. And try to avoid dry cleaning, the chemicals are too harsh. But washing is only half the battle. If you store this clean jacket incorrectly, you will undo all your hard work. This is the off-season trap. Never ever store your down jacket in a compression sack or the tiny pocket bag it came with for long periods. If you leave down compressed for months during the summer, the feathers develop memory. They forget how to expand, and you will pull out a flat, useless jacket next winter. Instead, store it on a white hanger in a breathable garment bag or loosely fold it in a large pillowcase. It needs room to breathe. Also, you need to check the shell. Now that it's clean, do the water test. Flick some water onto the fabric. It should bead up and roll off like mercury. If the water soaks in and creates a dark spot, your DWR, that's durable water repellent, coating is dead. Washing removes dirt, but it doesn't always fix the coating. If your jacket failed the test, you don't need to wash it again. Just grab a spray-on waterproofer, like Nikwax TX.Direct spray. Hang the damp jacket, spray the exterior evenly, and then put it in the dryer. This heat sets the waterproofing and makes the jacket shed snow and rain like a plastic bag, while still letting the feathers breathe. Finally, a note on frequency. Do not wash your down jacket every week. Every wash places stress on the seams and baffles. Unless you are sweating in it daily, try to wash it only once or twice a season. For small marks, spot clean with a damp sponge. If you follow these storage and waterproofing rules, you aren't just cleaning a jacket, you are investing in it. Follow these steps, trust the tennis balls, and your jacket will last for 10 years. Stay warm.